You have imported the upcoming meet events, but your swimmers are not yet entered. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to select athletes, place them in the correct events, and enter their custom times in HY-TEK Team Manager 8. And before you continue, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss episodes anymore. To make entries for your upcoming meets, select the meet you want, then you select entry by name. From here, you select the team, your team you're swimming for, and the team currently you're selecting entries from. Now from here, the moment you click on a name, you see the entries they qualify here. Samantha entries, and you can see it's changing according to their gender and everything. So it means these are the events he qualifies for. To enter her to the event, a tick next to the age here, just tick it. It's 100 IM, click. Then under custom time, if she has a time, you enter her time here. Let me say 50 free, say 1 till 1, and you enter. When you go to the next, you'll notice that the name is highlighted green. This is just to show you that you have entered an event for this athlete. So to do the same for the next one, you go click the events you want to enter her. And it's very good to ensure that you give your athletes time. So to do so, come here, enter their time. Let me say 50 fly. She's doing at 5:40. Yeah, so make sure all the athletes have time. And as you can see, it's already highlighted green. So from here, I can filter by, I want to see only pre-entered athletes, or I want to see everybody. This helps you when you want only to sort athletes you have already entered into the event. And that's how you enter athletes in an event. When you exit, you'll notice that it says, the meet says entered swimmers 2. It means you have already done two swimmers entries. And that's how you add athletes to meet entries in HY-TEK Team Manager 8. Before exporting your entries, you have to confirm that every swimmer is entered in the correct event and check their seed time, and make sure they have not exceeded the maximum time, because you have other events which have qualifying times. I'll show you in the next upcoming episodes.